Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog. We install lots and lots of shutters in the Reno and Tahoe area, but what I wanted to show you is something practical. So if we look right here, we're going to look at a kitchen window. And like so many kitchen windows, the space, I'm leaning from the front, I'm 6'2". I can't even reach the shutter unless I totally lean in. So what they decided to do here was to use a remote control. So again, this is the Norman window fashions or Norman shutters remote control. To work it, you press that center button which lights the Norman logo. Then you put it where you think you want it. In this case, we're going to make it go all the way up. And then this is channel 1. And then we watch the panels, and both panels will move to the location that we ask them to go to. It is a lot more convenient than having to reach over there. So one more time, press the button, put it to the position we want. Again, hit number 1 very gently, and both shutters will open to the prescribed location. Now, one more thing that I want to show on this is when we do motorized shutters, we always include these little catches. This enables us to be able to work the shutter. I need to open this one. We need to use that because when the batteries are in and you move these manually, these louvers, it can cause damage. So instead of opening the louvers, reaching inside and pulling, we use this ring pull, and it makes it a lot easier. So just a couple things we do when it is difficult to access your shutters easily. And these look amazing, and the homeowners are very proud of it, as I am too. So thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog.